Hello, bloggers! Today, I'm diving into the world of Copy.ai and how its prompts can supercharge your blogging game. Whether you're struggling with writer's block or looking for fresh ideas, Copy.ai has got you covered. Let's explore some of the top prompts for blog generation using Copy.ai. Here are a few examples. Write a blog post about the benefits of remote work, or create a blog post on the top 10 travel destinations for 2023, or generate a blog post on how to start a successful online business, or write a blog post about the importance of mental health in the workplace. These prompts can help you create engaging content effortlessly. Copy.ai breaks down your ideas into detailed outlines, giving you a clear roadmap for your post. Then there's the blog section prompt. Got a part of your blog that needs fleshing out? Just describe what you need, and Copy.ai will generate a well-crafted section to fit seamlessly into your post. It's like having a co-writer always ready to jump in. If you need help with SEO, the keyword generator prompt is a game changer. Enter a few keywords related to your topic, and Copy.ai spits out a list of high-ranking keywords to weave into your blog. Boost your visibility with minimal effort. Lastly, don't overlook the blog conclusion prompt. This wraps up your post nicely, providing a satisfying end that leaves your readers with a clear takeaway. It's perfect for ensuring your blog posts end on a high note. So there you have it. Copy.ai's prompts can make your blogging faster, easier, and more efficient. Give them a try and watch your content creation process transform. Happy blogging!